is out further, like above you,
Yeah.
coming out, and that's what I got caught on last time.
Right, if you can just balance it, you'll be fine. Oh, yeah. See, you got this.
Let's just give it a loop.
Whoa. Oh, see, you lost your balance.
Did you just throw something at me?
Nah, I just dropped something. I was going to fucking peg it at this bird, but... I'd be worried you could pitch the gap. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
That's
that
right,
was
man.
lined up, okay.
That's what I mean, just fucking... Yeah, up.
I've got to really give it more.
Here he comes. They're leaving you alone. I don't know why. I think it might be the colours of the drone itself. God damn it. Oi! Bullshit!